The massive military strikes launched by the United States and Israel, and the subsequent attacks by Iran to so many countries, which were strongly condemned by the Security Council yesterday, constitute a grave threat to international peace and security and has caused immense suffering for civilians. The region is being pushed to the breaking point, and the consequences are cascading around the world. Disrupted trade, rising energy and food prices, deepening insecurity and instability. And as always, the most vulnerable are being hurt first and worst. The region and the world desperately need an off-ramp. De-escalation and dialogue are the only way out. And I strongly urge all parties to cease the hostilities, uphold international law, protect civilians, and return immediately to the negotiating table.